So I said I was gonna do a review on my truck. I did a it's actually straight pipe. I forgot I did that. Wheels 20x10 Vision. Tires, what are these tires? 275, 55, 20. I did plastic dip. All of this is plastic dip. Even the letters are plastic dip. Even the decal is plastic dip. I just sprayed it. I even covered up that. And the chain Harbor Freights, like 8 months. I sprayed that black. Tinted the windows. I do everything myself. I tinted the windows. Also did a plastic dip on the roof. The front of the truck, I swapped out the front. It had the chrome or the chrome bumper. This is just the cover. This literally goes over the top of the chrome. And that black piece there, that's plastic dip. These are little AutoZone fog lights. But the roof, I don't know if you can see the roof. And got the visor across the front. See my little antenna? Yeah, I painted that the same color AutoZone can, silver spray paint. And plastic dip there. It's raining out here. I ain't even want to really do a video today, but I said I was going to do this. This was actually chrome, and I got the color match from AutoZone and sprayed it like the antenna. Same can of spray paint. And I even sprayed this. This came from eBay. I think I paid maybe $100 for the bumper cover, brand new. And you just put it over the top, kind of bolted through some bolts, and even the grill was chrome. This piece here was chrome. This is plastic dip. That was chrome. These are little. Yeah, I got a bunch of plastic dip all over this truck. And you can peel it off if you ever want to go back chrome. Inside of the truck. Oh, I ripped out the carpet, put some more carpet in it. And I always do a tablet and a dash. And radio. And I got the sub in the center. Everybody, I guess as a truck, it's supposed to get dirty, but yeah, just got a little dirt on it. I need to clean it up. But same way, I took my amp out, took my speakers out back here because they were busted. I busted them. The amp blew it. I didn't have it wired right. That speaker's good, but these back here, I took them out because of garbage amp. Carpet, man, this is actually carpet you put in the house. I bought it, I think I paid maybe $40 for it, $40, $50. And cut it up and just put a whole truck. Bed liner. I actually bought it. They had the bed liner. Plastic dip there again. I think that covers it. Oh, let's pop the head. Let's pop the head. I'm in a dip, I'm moving on fast. Play with that money, we put on the man. I think that's one of the cheapos on eBay. That cold area coat there and cover the cold. Yeah. That is the truth. night, but the whole at nighttime the entire truck lights up on the inside. But yeah, that is it.